This Harlingen Homes property video is presented by Jacques Wright. Stunning 6-bedroom, 4.5 bath, 3-car garage, 5,000 square feet plus / home on 4.4 acres plus /. The amenities are endless, but to name a few: granite countertops, quartz staircase, tile and hardwood floors, huge walk-in pantry, laundry room, office, 2 living spaces, study area, gym/dance room, walk-in closets, 8 feet doors, 12 feet ceilings, tray ceilings west/underlighting, large patio, PEX waterlines, pergola west/electricity, basketball court with electricity, fenced area with shelter and electricity for your pets and acreage. But there's more. 1 bedroom/bath is located off the garage for guests, plus the garage is not only insulated with blown-in insulation, but it also has a mini split to keep it cool. If you like to entertain, you